is aware of it. I think timely, basically, whatever necessary action had to be taken, the CCP has taken action timely.
ओल्ड बिल्डिंग इतले ओल्ड बिल्डिंगान तुझे परमिशन नाशिल्लें ऑब्जेक्शन आशिल्लें ते नेबर्स आहा
No, there was, I think, I don't know, I feel that Rizvi building, I think Rizvi had built that building, I don't know, something like that. It was an old building, I think. Even that time when Barranco was there, I had heard that basically he had not even given license for that, or license was cancelled or something. I don't know what he was doing.
आताचे ते लोकल थंयसर आहा पळय सकयल सो ते म्हणटा ती ताचे सायडीची आनीक बिल्डिंग आहा पळय ती सुद्दां कॉलेप्स जावपाची हेजेर आहा कित्याक माती
No,
गेल्या
so that is the reason what happened. We are identifying all the buildings basically which are weak. You understand? Which are weak and which may collapse. So then we will see that the CCP basically moves this thing to the collector basically to declare these buildings unsafe.
आमची स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट बीन जावपाक जाय जे ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्स जे पणजे आसा
No, that is the reason I'm saying no. See, what happened, we need basically a technical this thing, either PWD or this engineering college. They basically do the six structure this thing of the validity of the building. So we will put them actually in this thing to go around this. How we said last time of the trees. So we will put these agencies basically to look around the building and which are old building and which may collapse. You understand? The feasibility report basically.
पण ते आनी दोन बिल्डिंग ज्यो आसा पळय तेजे
No,
सायडीन
we will see into that.
त्यो
Municipality must be, CCP must be aware of this thing. All action needs to be taken, will be taken.